Katie Brown is looking very sunny on the sunny coast this morning. Look at you, Prue.
I have. Oh, it is stunning here at Noosa Main Beach. And Tomo from Tomo's Japanese. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow, happy Monday.
Yes.
What do you do, Tomo? Because we've managed to bring you down to the beach.
Yeah, I come to you and bring everything with me. So people book me for birthday party, and I just do a private cooking class.
Which is so incredible. It smells delicious. What are you making for us this morning?
So this morning we are making Okonomiyaki, which is Japanese savory pancake.
Okay,
Yeah.
don't know how to pronounce that one, but I'm going to get you. That's tricky.
Yeah.
Can you say that one more time?
Okonomiyaki. Actually,
Okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyami would be good.
Oh, okay, all right. I love that. Well, you get. What's
Yeah.
the most unique place you've cooked for somebody? Because you said you
Yeah.
could take me. You could cook for me in the hotel room. You could cook for me on the beach. You could
Yeah.
cook for me at birthdays.
Yeah.
What is it?
Actually, I did hens party,
Oh,
hens cooking class. It was.
Were they well behaved?
Yeah, that was luckily, that was I did that 4 times, so it's like
4 times?
Yeah, I'm proud of myself,
I'm proud of you as well, because the Aussies, sometimes we can be a little rowdy at the hens parties.
Yes.
Were they well behaved?
Yeah, that was luckily, I didn't have to take off the shirts. It was good, yes.
Unreal. I'm glad you did it. Hey, you know what? You cook that Japanese pancake, and I'll check our forecast around Australia.
All right, no worries.
Sunrise
Just
weather.
like that, it's cooked, and I need to make sure I help you
This one?
do something.
Okay.
All right. This is,
Do it.
it's all about cooking classes. My favourite.
Yeah. So you just
My favourite
hold it,
parts,
and
actually.
1, 2, 3, like this.
Hey! Oh, and there's bacon at the bottom. Yum.
Yes.
And so I'll just.
And then just do it, right?
Yeah.
This one.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can just put it here. Here we
Yummy.
go. Yeah.
Like
oh.
that. Yum.
Just do it here.
Oh,
That's
bon
nice.
appetit.
You'd want
What's
to?
yummy
Yeah,
in
yummy.
Japanese?
Oishi. Yeah.
Oishi.
We just yeah.
Oh, the Cuisin mayo.
Just Japanese.
It just gets
pancake.
better.
And then this.
Oh,
the
what's
Cuisin
the-
mayo.
what's that
It's
stuff?
a Japanese barbecue sauce.
Oh, the Japanese
you can
barbecue
use
sauce.
Aussie barbecue sauce as well.
Oh, you are
And then
just
a moment.
delivering the
Here we
goods.
go.
Oh, we've got ginger.
Yes, ginger.
Okay,
And,
got to get the ginger. We're actually going to the
just a
ginger
little
factory
bit.
tomorrow.
Yeah, here we go.
Perfect. Okay,
Yeah.
bon appetit.
When she's into it.
That's Japanese.
Oishi. That's
Oishi.
so delicious.
It's great.
What's one
I'm
appetit?
All right, done for the morning. Bye. Bye.
Is-
Watch out for that brush turkey out the back
Is
there
it,
too.
yeah, isn't Noosa Main Beach one of the most beautiful beaches to
Stunning.
wake up to? It's the most stunning spot. If you haven't been or you're somewhere around Australia,
I'm with Betty's
look at
Burgers
that
too.
background. Absolutely
Unreal.
gorgeous.
You smashed it. Well
those two in the
done.
foreground. Looking good too. And the food.
It's the
See you
turkey.
soon. Still to come.